Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a warmest welcome to all of you. As usual, some instructions are on your screen. You have to follow these instructions. So first, take screenshot of home task and activities. Keep your book Vitram English copy and pencil box with you. Do all work in Mitram English copy or in book. Keep your videos off. Use your headphone. Don't raise hand during the lesson. If you have any queries, ask at the end of the lesson through chat. Okay, now dear students, your English class is going to be start, and today our topic is two-letter sound. Our topic is two-letter sound, and this is unit 5. Here is your topic and unit 5, and topic is two-letter sounds. Okay, you can see here two letters sounds. Okay, do you know how many alphabet we have? Yes, we have 26 letter in English alphabet. Okay, and these letter, and each letter have their own sound. And each letter make a sound of its own. Okay, but when we blend two letter or we join two consonant letter each other. When we join two consonant letter to each other, they change their sound. They change their own sound and produce a single new sound, okay, which is called two-letter sound. It means when we join two consonant letter to each other, they change their own sound and they produce a special new and single sound, okay, which are called two-letter sounds. Like you can see here, here are two letters, okay, and these letters makes a special sound, okay, special and single sound, not individual sound. They two letters make a single one sound. Okay, so we have some examples. Let's see and practice of the given sounds. Okay, what is it? Yes, it is a letter S. It is S. It is a letter S. It is a single letter, and the sound of S is S. The sound of letter S is C. Here is another letter you can see. Yes, it is H. It is letter H. Its sound is H. Its sound is H. The sound of S is S, and the sound of H is H. Okay, these are individual letter. Okay, they give their individual sound. But now you can see here. But if we blend these two letters, okay, S and H, if we join or blend these two letters, S and H, we join, these two letters change their own sound and produce a single special sound, a new sound, okay, which is sh, which is sh. Now these two letters make a special sound which is sh. Which sound is it? Sh. Which sound is sh? Which sound is it? Sh. After blending, after joining, these two letters makes a special sound which is sh, which is sh. Okay, so we have some words. Okay, we will practice which start with sh. Sometimes these sounds come in the beginning of the word. Sometimes these sounds in the end of the words, and sometimes in the middle of the sound words. So let's start and see. Here are some words which are starting sh sound. Okay, sh. It is sh. Its sound is sh. Okay, sh for shop. What is it? Which picture is it? It is a shop. So sh for shop. Sh for shop. The starting sound is sh. The starting sound of shop is sh. Sh. Okay. What is the starting sound? Sh. Sh for shop. Sh for shop. Okay, next you can see. Yes, yes, here is a shoe. What is here? Shoe. What is here? It is a picture of shoe. So shoe start with sh sound. Shoe start with sh sound. The starting sound is sh. The starting sound is sh. You can see In the starting, here is SH, and both letters give a single sound sh. Okay, these two letters give a single sound sh. Okay, you can see another example here. Look here. Okay, what is it? Which picture is it? It is a ship. What is it? It is a ship. It is a sea transport. Okay, so ship start with sh. Ship start with sh sound. Okay, which sound in the starting of ship? Yes, sh. The sound, the first sound of the ship is sh. The first sound of the ship is sh. What is the first sound of ship? Sh. What is the first sound of the ship? Sh. यहाँ से करते हैं. It is sound. Sh for ship. Sh for ship. Okay, here is a. Okay, yes. What is it? It is a. It is a ship. Okay. Now here is a fish. You can see a picture of fish. What is it? It is a picture of fish, and fish start with Sha sound? No, it is not starting, but you can see in the end of the fish, here is Sha sound. Yes, you can see here is Sha sound. Okay, as I told you, sometimes these sound come in the end of the word. Sometimes these sound come in the end of the word. So here Sha sound is in the end of the word. In okay, fish, F-I-S-H, fish. So Sha sound is in the end of the word. Okay, now look here, here is another example, another sound. Okay, which letter is it? It is a C, and its sound is K. Its sound is K, and it is H. Its sound is H. Its sound is H. These letters have their own individual sounds, but when we blend, when we join these two letters, look here, when we join, when we make friendship between two letters, when we blend these two letters produce a special single sound. Okay, the sound is ch. The sound is ch. The sound is ch. Which sound is ch? Which sound is ch? Ch. Okay, here are words which are starting ch. Okay, yes, yes, cha sound. Okay, here is a picture. The girl is doing something with a knife. You can see here. Yes, what the girl is doing. Let's see. Okay, CHOP, chop. CHOP, chop means to do something in a small pieces. Okay, cutting in a small pieces. Okay, but you can say we can cut the vegetables. We cut the tree or in a small pieces. Okay, they are called chop. Okay, so the girl is chopping chop. The first sound of the chop is cha. The first sound of the chop is cha. Okay, you can see another example. Okay, look here. Okay, here is a man. Okay, you can see. Okay, the man has a lot of money in his bags. Okay, he has a lots of bag, and he has gold, a lots of gold in his bags. So the man is rich. It means the man is rich. Okay, so the ending sound, can you tell me the ending sound? What is the ending sound? Yes, the ending sound is cha. Rich ending sound is cha. As I told you, sometimes these sound come in the end of the word. So here, cha sound is in the end of the word. Rich, R-I-C-H, rich. Cha sound is in the end. Here is another example. You can see, yes. What is it? It is a chair. It is a chair. Okay, what is it? It is a chair. What is the ending sound of chair? IR. It is, yes, it is not giving cha sound. Like here, rich ending sound is cha, but here chair starting sound is cha. Chair starting sound is cha, not ending sound. Okay. Another example is given for you. Look here. Here is a man. Okay, and the arrow show the part of face. Which part is it? Yes, which part is it? Can you tell? Yes, it is a chin. It is a chin. What is it? It is a chin. Okay, can you tell me the starting sound of chin? Yes, it is cha. It is cha. C-H-I-N, chin. Cha, chin. Okay, cha for chop, cha for chin, cha for rich, cha for chair. Okay, now another sound is here. What is it? It is a T. What is it? It is a T. Okay, now another letter is here. Yes, it is ha. Okay, it is H and sound is ha. But when we blend these two letters create a new sound, make a new sound, which is tha. What is it? Tha. Tha sound. Which sound they give? Tha. Which sound they give? Tha. Okay, so here are words according to tha sound. Okay, let's see. Okay, first one is, you can see here a book. Look here. Yes, a book. It has a lots of pages. Okay, it says a lot of pages. Okay, it means the book is thick. The book is thick. Which sound is in the starting? Yes, tha sound. Tha for thick. Tha for thick. Okay, now another example is here. Yes, what is it? What is it? Which finger is showing here? Which finger shown here? Yes, it is a thumb. It is called thumb. What it called? It called thumb. Tha for thumb. Tha for thumb. Okay, the thigh sound is in the starting of thumb. Okay, yes. We can see another example. Oh, which number is it? Yes, which number is it? It is 3. Number 3. Tha for 3. Tha for 3. As I told you, when we join T and H, they produce new sound. Okay, which is tha. Okay, here is another example. Yes, tha for. Yes, the man is the man healthy? Is the man fat? No, the man is thin. The man is thin. Tha for thin. Tha is in the starting. Tha sound is in the starting. Tha for thick. Tha for three. Tha for thumb. Tha for thin. Okay, now we have another sound. Okay, which letter is it? Yes, N. And sound of N is N. And this is G. And sound of G is G. But when we blend these two letters create a new sound, produce a new sound, which is ing, which is ing. Which sound these letter produce? Yes, these letter produce ing sound. Okay, so here are dear student, ing sound always come in the end of the words. Okay, ing sound always come in the end of the words. Okay, not in the beginning, not in the middle, in the end of the words. Okay, so here are examples. Look here, what the girl is doing. Yes, he has a mic. Okay, yes, the girl is singing. Okay, the girl is singing. Okay, so the ending sound is ing. Okay, so ing is in sing. Ing is in sing. Okay, now another example we have. Yes, who is he? Yes, he is a king. You can see here. Here is a king and King. King. Okay, what is the ending sound? Yes, listen carefully. The ending sound is ing, ing. Okay, as I told you, when we blend ng, so these two letters change their sounds and create new sound, which is ing. Okay, so ing is in king. Ing is in king. Okay, now look here. Yes, yes, this is a pencil, and you can see a pencil is long, not short. Okay, a pencil is long. So the last sound of the pencil long is ing. The last sound of long is ing. Ng, ing. Okay. Now we will see another example. What is it? Yes, it is a ring. It is a ring. What is it? It is a ring. So the ending sound of ring is ing. The ending sound of ring is ing. R-I-N-G, ring. Ing sound in the end. So ing is in the ring. Okay. Ing is in the sing. Ing is in the long. Ing is in the king. Ing is in the ring. Okay, so these are sounds. Okay, these are two letter sounds. Okay, now your next activity is in your book page number 29. Your book page number is 29. Here is your book page. Okay, here are the same sounds. Okay, sh, ch, tha, ing. Okay, sh, ch, tha, and ing sounds. Okay, we will read these words. So here are different pictures. Okay, you can see here are different pictures and their names. We will read the names according to the sound. Okay. First one is, can you identify which picture is this? Something is written on it. Okay, on the top. Okay, yes, it is a coffee shop. Okay, it is written on it. Okay, now look here, shop. S-H-O-P, shop. Okay, sha is for shop. Okay, the first sound of shop is sh. The first sound of shop is sh. Which is, what is the first sound? Sh. Sha is for shop. Sha is for shop. Okay, now in the next, here is a man. A man has an axe. Okay, and he is doing something with an axe. Okay, so let's read CH. As I told you, when we blend C and H, these two letters give a new sound which is ch, which is cha. So cha is for chop. Okay, it means the man is chopping the wood. Okay, the man is cutting a small pieces of a wood. Okay, okay, the man is cutting a wood. It is called chopping. Okay, so cha is for chop. Cha is for chop. Now look here. You can see a camel here. Okay, a man and a camel. Okay, can you tell me the is the camel fat, healthy? No, the camel is, yes, the camel is thin. The camel is thin. So tha is for thin. The starting sound of thin is tha. The starting sound of thin is tha. Tha is for thin. Okay. In the next picture here is, yes, a ring. Here is a ring. You can see a ring. Okay. What is the ending sound of ring? What is the ending sound of ring? Yes, ing. The ending sound of ring is ing. So ing is in ring. Ing is in ring. Okay. Now our next activity is, here are some more sh, ch, th and ing words to read. We will read these words. Okay. What is it? It is a ship. Sha for ship. Okay. What is it? Yes, sharp. It is a name of this object? No, it is not a name of this object. This object is called scissor. Its name is scissor. But the blades of the objects, the edges of the scissor are very sharp. Okay, the edges, you can see these are the edges, the blades of the scissors. These are very sharp. Okay, so here is mentioned scissor can be sharp. Okay, now look here, sharp for sharp. Okay, now okay, who is here? Here is a girl. Here is a girl. And can you tell me the which thing the arrow show? What the arrow is showing? Yes, the arrow is showing the chin of the girl. Okay, the chin of the girl. Yes, cha for chin. Cha for chin. Okay, what is it? It is a chair. Yes, it is a chair. Okay, cha chair. Cha for chair. Okay, here is a board. You can see a board here. Something is written on the board. Let's read. T-H-A-N-K, thank. Y-O-U, thank you. Okay, it means tha is for thank. Tha is for thank. Here, tha is in the starting. Okay, tha sound is in the starting. Tha is thank. Tha for thank. Okay, now here's another board. Okay, let's see what is written on the board. Yes, T-H-U-D, third. What is third? Do you know? Yes, third is a sound. A heavy, dull sound is called third. A heavy, dull sound is called third. Tha for third. Okay. Another here is a picture. Look here, S-T-R-I-N-G, string. What is it? It is a string. String mean a rope. Okay, string mean a rope. String. Okay, do you know which sound is here? Yes, identify the sound. Yes. Okay, in the end, here is ing sound. Okay, ing is in string. Ing is in string. Okay, yes. What is the girl doing? Yes, the girl is drumming. Okay, it is a sound of B-A-N-K, B-A-N-G, bang. What is it? Bang. When the girl is drumming, it make a sound which is bang sound. What is the sound? Bang. It is a loud sound. Okay. Here the sound ing is in the word ending. Okay. Now your next activity, turn your book and your book page number is 30. Which page is it? Okay, here is the sound. Okay, here is a sound. Which sound is here? Sh. Which sound is here? Sha. Okay, here is a picture. What is it? Okay, yes. Sha is for shell. Sha is for shell. Shell is a hard outer covering, okay, of certain organism. Okay, it is a hard outer organism. Okay, Sha is for shell. So now come down. Here is a caption. Trace over the sh sounds. Then write some of your own. Here are sh sounds. You have to trace first. Okay, first trace these sounds. Shh. Okay, now here in the empty space, you have to write more sh sound. Okay, like this. Okay, you have to write this sh sound. Okay, okay, here is a girl. Let's see what's the name of the girl. Okay, oh, Sha is for Sharon. Sha is for Sharon. Okay, Sha is for Sharon. The starting name is, the starting sound is sh. Okay, Sharon is the name of the girl. Okay, now come down. Here is another caption. We will read add sh to complete the words. You have to write. Okay, here sound. Okay, sh sound. First picture is, yes, it is a toy shop. Okay, what is it? It is a toy shop. Okay, here is a blank. Okay, here is the word is not complete. Okay, we will put here sh sound. Okay, sh for shop. So we will put here sh sound. Okay, here is a fish. What is it? Fish. Okay, fi dash. It is not completed. Okay, so we will put here sh sound. As I told you, sometimes these sound come in the end of the words. So here sh sound is in the end of the word. Okay, you have to put sh sound here. Okay, now look here. You can see here. Here is a picture. Okay, but here is a shed. Okay, the picture here is a shed. Do you know what is shed? Shed is a shelter. Okay, as you know, in summer, okay, when the sun is shining too much, very brightly, then we go in the shade of tree, in the shade of wall. Okay, so shade is a shelter. Sha for shade. You have to put the sh sound here. Okay, now come in the second page, your third page. It is your page number 31. Here is also a ch sound, ch sound. Here is ch sound. Okay, you can see here. Okay, yes, what is it? Do you know? Yes, it is a baby of hen. It is called chick. It is called chick. So cha for chick. Cha is for chick. The starting sound of chick is cha. Okay, cha is for chick. Here you also trace, you have to trace the cha sound and then you have to write on your own. Okay, first you have to trace cha sound. Okay, then in the empty space you have to write cha sound 3 times. Okay, like here cha sound is written 3 times and you have to also more 3 you have to write. Okay, here is a boy. Okay, do you know what is it, his name? The boy name is, let's read. Cha is for Charlie. Cha is for Charlie. Okay, the boy name is Charlie. What is the boy name? Charlie. So Charlie is in the starting. Okay, cha sound is in the starting. Here you also to put cha sound. Okay, in the given pictures. Okay, cha sound, cheetah. Cha for cheetah. You have to put cha sound. Okay, before the cheetah. Okay, here is a king. He has a lot of money. He is rich. Okay, ri. You have to put cha sound in the word. Okay, it is a chimney. Okay, what is it? It is chimney. Okay, what is it? It is chimney. Okay, you have to you have to put the cha sound. Your next activity is tha. Tha is for thimble. Tha is for thimble is a small metal cape which protect our finger when we are stitching or sewing. Okay, here you also trace the tha sound and write your own. And here you can see three tha numbers word here, 3, 30, 1,000. Okay, now in here in your next activity you have to add tha sound. Tha for thick, tha for thin, tha for thermometer. Okay, you have to put tha sound here. Okay, the book is thick. Okay, this book is thin. This is thermometer. It is an instrument which we use for measuring temperature. Okay, now Okay, here is ing sound. Okay, here is ing sound. Here are pictures which ending ing. Okay, king. King ending sound is ing. Wing ending sound is ing. Sing ending sound is ing. Okay, now you have to add ing sound in the end. Long, long in the end you have to put ing sound. L-O-N-G, long. This is a ladder, and the step of the ladder called rung. Okay, what the step of the ladder called rung? R-U-N-G. You have to put ing sound. Okay, the two boys are playing a game. The game is called ping pong. Ping ending sound is ing and pong ending sound is ing. You have to put ng here and also ng here. Okay, now here we will put ing with the verb, okay, with the action. Here are some animals and here are some people, okay. The people and animals are doing some work, okay, doing something, okay. We will add, okay, when the action, when the verb is in progress, we put ing with the verb, okay. We put ing with the verb, okay. So here is the bird. The bird is singing. The bird is singing. Here is sing. We will add ing, okay. Ing ing, ing ing, sing, sing, ing in, singing. Ending, we have to, you have to put ing in each word. Ring, 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 ing in, ringing. You have to put ing in each word. Jumping, eating, okay, drinking, talking, and swinging. Here is the monkey is swinging, okay. So in all words you have to add ing, okay. Now come here. Okay, now here are also sounds. Sh, cha, tha, ing. Here is a man. A man has a trolley. A man has a trolley. Okay, the man is going for shopping at the market. Okay, at the market he saw a lots of items. Okay, the man name is Tom. Tom went for shopping. What did he see at the market? Choose from the sound to finish the list. Here are different items. Okay, we will choose the correct sound and complete the item's name. Okay, so first here is a ring. You can see here is a ring. Okay, the ending sound of ring is yes, ing. The ending sound of ring is ing. So write down ng here. Okay, now the second item is a bunch of flowers. Okay, a bunch of flower. Ending sound of bunch is cha. Ending sound of bunch is cha, which is written here. Okay, third one is dish. Look here, here is a dish. Okay, this one is called dish. The ending sound of dish is sha. The ending sound of dish is sha. Now come down. Here is a shell. This is shell, as you know. The shell starting sound is sha. Okay, so put sha sound here. Here are some chilies. Some chilies are here. Okay, some chilies. The starting sound of chilies are cha. Starting sound of chilies are cha. Put cha sound here. Lunch. Okay, do you know the ending sound of lunch? Yes, cha. Lunch ending sound cha. Okay, here are fish. Okay, here are fish. These are fresh fish. Okay, so fresh fish. Ending sound of fish sha. Okay, a drink. Okay, here is a chicken. Yes, here is a chicken. Chicken starting sound is yes cha. Chicken starting sound cha. Or sheep starting sound sha. Now you can see here Tom got, okay, a gift for his uh, friend. Okay, his friend name is Sally. Okay, so what he got for Sally? Let's see. Yes, Tom got a ring, a shell, a bunch of flower, okay, for Sally. You can see here in front of Tom and Sally. Now turn in the next activity. Your next activity is okay. This one is your next activity. Okay, this is your next activity. Okay, here are sha, cha, tha, ing sounds. Okay, here you can make words with these sounds. You have to write this in your copy. Okay, this one is like sha, shop, ship, push, fish. Cha, chick, chair, pouch, watch. Tha, thin, think, teeth, bath. Ink, ring, wing, wrong, long. These are words with the given sounds. Okay. Now your another activity is answer the questions. Here are questions which you have to answer. Okay. Question number one. Who went for shopping? As I told you, Tom went for shopping. Okay, who went for shopping? Tom went for shopping. Okay, question number 2. What did Tom get for Sally? Sally is Tom's friend. So Tom get a ring, a shell, and a bunch of flower. Tom get a ring, a shell, and a bunch of flower. Okay, these are your activities. Okay, it is your home task now. Home task is make words with the given sound in copy. Okay, right answer of the question in copy. Okay, complete book pages 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 to 34 and 35. It means you have to complete the 29 to 35 okay pages. Okay, here are your home tasks. Task. First you make title page, write down the unit. Okay, in first page write down the unit. This one is your unit and your topic name. First do this in your copy, then you make a words with the given sound. Yes, take a screenshot. Yes, take a screenshot of the word. Okay, yes, you have to do in your copy. Okay, same this is also your copy work. You have to write down the question answer in your copy. Okay, you have to write down in your copy. Okay, now here are the book pages, page number 29 to 35. You have to complete in your book, not copy. Okay, page number 29 to 35, you have to complete your book. Okay, okay, let me, Allah Hafiz, goodbye, take care of yourself.